guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Parmsi. Today we're talking about cream stick eyeshadows. What I have over here, it's YSL. I know it's a bit pricey, but this is an idea. This is my only cream shadow actually, because I went through a crazy phase. I threw away a lot of my cream shadows because I wasn't really into them. Stupid enough. That's why I'm using YSL. You can use the Maybelline one. You can use any other brand. It's the same concept. The whole point of this video is to show you how easy it is to use a cream eyeshadow, because I know cream products, they can be a little bit scary to use because you feel like, oh, it's gonna move around, and powder, it's very easy. Believe it or not, blending out cream products, it's way easier than powder. Layering it, it's very easy, and I'm about to show you how it basically works. Yeah.
That was the biggest pause for basically works.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I will use only fingers on this eye and using specific brushes to blend out the eyeshadow on this eye. If you're ready and you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching and don't go anywhere. Just go grab your drink and let's hang out. For cream eyeshadows, you don't really need to put any eyeshadow primer before applying it, because eyeshadow primers tend to move as soon as you put the cream eyeshadow on your lid. It makes the foundation, primer, or the concealer that you put on your lid as the base move around and get very clumpy, so they're not a very good blend together. What I recommend is you can either go bare skin, bare lids, and just straight put the cream eyeshadow on your lid, or you can go with a much lighter shade eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, or very like similar to your skin tone. Apply it all over your lid, let it sit, because they tend to get dry pretty fast. They don't move unless you take shower or you try to wipe them off. It's a very good way to use the cream eyeshadows as your base if you want it to last all day. In my case, I don't have any light shade cream shadows, so I'm gonna straight go on my bare skin and work with the shade. With cream eyeshadows, as soon as you get a hang of it, it's very easy to use and it's super fast. First thing, I will just draw it on my lid, not above my crease, because I will actually blend the edges and buff it out to diffuse the harsh lines in my crease. So I'm starting from a very bottom of my lid and going up. These eyeshadow sticks are very, very creamy, easy to blend. Now what I'm gonna do, you can be messy with this because who cares, we're in a rush, we're gonna do this in like 5-6 minutes. So what you do, you can use your middle finger or use your ring finger. I'm gonna use my middle finger. I'm not trying to flick anybody off, but what I'll do is I'm gonna just put my finger right where the line ends, basically in my socket, and just drag it down to diffuse the color. So I'm not really dragging it anywhere else, except I'm dragging it down because you don't want to drag it up to get very messy. So your focus is on the lid. Then I'm gonna go in with my ring finger, which is clean, and just with the stamping motion. Oh, I made a boo-boo. So I'm gonna just go in with my pinky to get rid of this little, you know, darkness under my eye. Try to use all the fingers. Got gave you to make this shadow look seamlessly flawless. See, it's very easy. I didn't use any brush and I probably did it in like 2 minutes. When you're on the go, you're rushing somewhere, you can just do this, smoke out a little on your lower lash line, put a wing liner on, put some mascara, and you're good to go. Since I want to use both sides of the sticks, I'm gonna go with a lighter shade, this pink color, and just go very, very gently over the center of my lid, just in a very light tapping motion to get that little shine and sparkle, like a very tint or sheen or very light wash on my eyes to make it more pinky. I don't know if I made sense. Let's do this. Now I'm gonna do this eye with a brush or a couple of brushes. I'm using a very flat brush. You want to use the synthetic brush because if you use a real hair brush, all the hair will absorb all the colors to itself, so you don't want that. Coat my brush with the berry color and just put it on my lid, starting from the bottom. I feel like with the brush, it's more seamless, but again, if we're in a rush, finger definitely does a good job. Sounded so bad. Not gonna put that there. Okay, we got the solid color down, and now to blend it out, I'm gonna use a pencil brush, a Doom pencil brush, and just go over the edges and just blend it out. Or you can go with a fluffy but very dense brush. The whole key is going in with the dense brush. That way it's not too fluffy, because a fluffy brush is good for powder products and more dense brushes are great for cream products. Then I'll coat with the same brush with the lighter color and just put it on the center of my lid. If you like to diffuse it even more in this corner, I suggest going in with a fluffy, again, dense brush that the brush is not really like moving or it's super loose. Let's see if I have any. Basically what I mean is something like this that moves a lot. It's not gonna be easy to control the cream products with. So you need something more dense but fluffy enough. I'll buff the edges. I think this eye needs some more pink. Actually guys, I'm gonna just go in directly because I like this way better than any other way. I wait till it's like a bit tacky, then I work it in with my finger, with my ring finger. For bottom lashes, if you want to use your finger, what you do is you go straight with the pen on your lower lash line, super close to the lash line, because as you blend it out, eventually it will come down. You don't want to make your eyes like this big. So this is it. To blend it with your pinky finger, what you want to do is you hold it like this, you go with an angle, you follow the tip of your nose and just going upward to the end of where your eyebrows would finish. And you can just drag it this way too, looking up. And this is it. Voila! Just be careful you won't go blind. My nails are long. I hate it. For this eye, what I'll do, I'm gonna use the pencil brush. This is, I forgot to tell you what it is. It's a IT Cosmetics brush, number 125, and it's an airbrush smoky liner. This is great for lower lash line, or just smudge out your wing liner for a soft smoky look. I coat the tip of the brush with the burgundy color or the maroon berry, whatever you want to call it, focusing in the outer corner and just dragging it. If you want a little something something, coat your brush with the lighter shade, the pink one, and focus in your tear duct. Extend it to just brighten up the eyes and open up the eyes. Last but not least, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's no surprise to anyone at this point. This is my most favorite Drugstorio mascara. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Easy, a breezy, soft, smoky eye using cream eyeshadows. Now you see how easy it is to apply cream eyeshadows. It literally takes up to like 10 minutes. For me, usually it takes like 5 minutes. So whenever I'm on the go, I just grab the pen, put it all over my lid, and just blend it out with my fingers, put some mascara on, and I'm ready to start the day. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful enough. If you did, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, because if you don't hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button, you won't be notified whenever I post a new video. So if you want to watch all my videos, you gotta hit that bell button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful. Bye.